Hello. Are you struggling with your 3D? You look at it and it does not match what you have envisioned in your mind. Is that what you're dealing with? Well, here's how to solve that issue. What is in your mind, or what has been in your mind for the past little while, is what you will continue to see on the outside. But to change that, maintain the new image. Here's another way to do it. There's a sensation when you think about the thing that you are creating. It makes your body respond in a very beautiful way. Or does it not? Now, if you think of that thing and the body responds with a sensation that says, oh yes, that is mine, then you're on the right track. Then you fall asleep in that sensation. You bring it up throughout the day, just the sensation. 30 seconds, you hold that sensation in the body and repeat it 20 or 30 times throughout the day. And when you fall asleep, as you say thank you, you see that sensation? That sensation is confirmation that you have what you want. Because the body, when it feels a sensation, it says, well, this is happening to me now. So if you bring up that sensation in your body of ease and relief and relaxation, your body says, well, this is happening to me now. Well, then, the only other option is for your 3D to conform. Why must it conform? Because when you hold that sensation, the more times you hold it and the longer you hold it, 30 seconds, and the more times you hold it, it begins to build magnetism or momentum. And when it holds that and it builds that momentum, it now starts to bring unto itself all the bits and pieces along your bridge of incidents that take the shape of what it is. So if you look at the 3D and you complain and you get frustrated, according to the law of correspondence, as within, so without. So if there is frustration within you when you look at the 3D, when you look outside, well then, it stands to reason that there's only frustration that you will reap. So step 1, the thing in your mind that you desire, whether it would be your special person, a new car, a job, it does not matter. So long as when you think of it, the body has a sensation of ease and relief. Those two things go together, and the final component would be in the physical. But if you think of the thing that you want and your body responds with angst, frustration, worry, fear, dread, well then that is all you will reap, because that is what you are thinking and feeling about the thing that you want. You see, you want it, now create it. And you create it by way of calling up the sensation. Neville Goddard says to you, what would it be like? What would it be like? He says, catch the mood. That means bring up that sensation in your body, because it literally has a feeling, the thing that you want. And the more you walk with that feeling, live in that feeling, be in that feeling, your body says, oh, this is happening to me now. And because you're living in it and being in it and it's happening to you now, well, then you no longer want it. And as long as you no longer want it, which would be the sensation of worry and fretting and angst and resistance, then you are living in the end and you are living in the now. I trust that that makes sense, and you are no longer caught up in the 3D. You must reap the previous harvest. That's why the 3D looks that way. Those are previous thoughts that you have to reap. So when you revise, as to what Neville Goddard says, what is revision? Revision is calling up the new sensation that you want to have in your body. That is what revision is. But that is another time. Try it. Practice. And let me know in the comments below. Much love.